Hey everyone, back with me again. Before we start our video today, don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel just like usual. An article by Geoffrey Smith, investing.com. Snapchat puts a chill of the relief rally, putting Twitter results in sharp focus. Stocks are due to open lower but are still on course of their highest weekly close since early June. Verizon, Amex, and Scamblugger report earnings. Recession fears in Europe grow after some weak business survey, and there's a ray of hope for poor food importing countries as Russia and Ukraine edge closer to a deal on securing grain exports out of the Black Sea, pushing wheat price lower. Here's what you need to know in financial markets on Friday, July 22. First, Snapchat puts a chill on the relief rally in US. Stock ran into resistance overnight after Snapchat owner Snap posted its lowest ever growth in sales as a public company, causing its stock to fall by nearly 30% in pre-market trading. The company also posted a loss of $422 million for the quarter and said it would substantially cut its hiring, in an echo of similar reports about bigger technology companies throughout the week. However, Snapchat has consistently had bigger problems with posting a profit than other social media companies, and its broader implication may not be too great. Twitter results later this morning may show how far Snapchat's problems are shared by the rest of the sector. The report revived fears of a looming recession in the US, pushing the 10-year benchmark Treasury yield down to a two-week low of 2.82%. Second, Europe recession fears rise after weak PMIs. Recession fears were front and center again in Europe overnight after the Eurozone Composite Purchasing Managers Index slipped back into contraction territory for the first time since March 2021. That follows a bigger than expected first interest rate hike from the European Central Bank on Thursday, which was accompanied by some gloomy talk by President Christine Lagarde on the economic outlook. Eurozone bond yields fell on perceptions that the turmoil in Italy, where President Sergio Mattarella has called for a new election in September, won't stop the ECB's now backstop tool for bond markets from working smoothly and as designed. In the UK, meanwhile, the composite PMI stayed in growth territory but fell to a 17-month low, while weak consumer confidence and underlying retail sales pushed the pound lower. Third, stocks set to open lower, but on course for best week since June. US stock markets are set to open slightly lower later, but are still on course for their best week in 5 and their highest close since early June. By 6:20 a.m., Dow Jones futures were flat, while S&P 500 futures were down 0.3% and Nasdaq 100 futures were down 0.6%. Result from Verizon, Nextra Energy, American Express, and Scamblugger will provide a broad cross-section of the economy. Fourth, grain prices drop as Russia-Ukraine edge closer to export safety deal. Grain prices fell after the Turkish government said it expects Ukraine and Russia to sign a deal later Friday, guaranteeing safe passage for grain out of Ukrainian ports to world markets. According to the BBC, the deal envisages Ukrainian ship escorting vessels in and out through mined approached the its ports and Russia's agreement to a truce was shipments move. Turkey will also inspect ships entering the Bosporus Straits to ease Russian fears of weapon smuggling. The deal is also meant to facilitate Russian export of grain and fertilizer via the Black Sea. By 6:25 a.m., London, with futures were down 2.80. Fifth, oil hit by recession fears. CFTC Baker huge reckoned crude oil price fell again in line with broader recession fears, shrugging off news of increased violence in the capital of Libya, a key North African exporter. That's all for the video today. Just like usual, don't forget to like and don't forget to share this video. The most important thing, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for your time. See you.